Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by accessing calendar. Following that, you need to pick a date by clicking at the chosen one. When you're done, click on this plus icon at the top right corner and customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick a location over here, choose starting hour, time zone, and ending hour. You can also disable this feature by clicking on the switcher next to all day. If you want to, from here you can take notes, and invite people from your contact book. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, and even choose repeat and select if you want your event to repeat every day, every week, so on, so on. I want to go with every year, so I have to click on this option over here. When you're done, click on add at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on it, select delete event, and choose delete this event or all future events by clicking on the chosen option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!